What is going on, great people of YouTube? It is me, Peyton from Judgment Day Fitness, and you probably can't see her, but that's Gracie over there, my dog. Love her to death. And if you are new to the channel, just go ahead and subscribe and like the video if you think the channel and the video are worth it. And drop a comment at the end of the video if you'd like, if you have any questions or if you have anything you'd like to get off your chest. I'd love to hear from you guys. So today we will be going over 4 things that are ruining your pull-ups or that you might be doing wrong about them. Props to you for being able to do a pull-up, but if you can follow these 4 rules that I have that you might be doing wrong, that you're not following, then that would make your pull-ups so much better and you'll get a lot more out of them. So let's get started right away. So the first mistake is definitely the #1 most common mistake people are making in their pull-ups, and it's okay, it's not going to kill you, it's not going to give you a deformity or anything, but what's going to happen is you're just not going to get the most that you could get out of this movement. And so the most common mistake that I see is people going for their chin to get above the bar instead of their chest. Now, I know there's chin-ups which are like this and you're supposed to go to your chin. That's because of the shape of your body. You can't really bring your chest up to the bar unless you go like this, and in that case it would just be a underhand grip pull-up, but it'd still be a pull-up, you know. So with pull-ups you're supposed to bring your chest up to the bar like I'm demonstrating in this video. Now my chest will not touch the bar probably. It's, you know, due to the shape of my body, it's very hard to make that happen. And so the important thing is I'm trying to bring my chest up to the bar instead of my chin getting above the bar, which most people do. And again, it's not gonna hurt you, it's not gonna do anything bad to you, but you can get more out of the movement if you bring your chest up to it. And that's what I see most people do, is they're not bringing their chest up to the bar and they're not getting the most out of that movement. So the second mistake that I see people making is going all the way down. And no, I promise you I am not encouraging half repetitions. What I'm encouraging is just don't go all the way down like this kind of pressure on your elbows. Okay, that's not good for you. A lot of people go all the way down, and when they go all the way down, they don't have a lot of control, and they're just kind of dropping themselves down, and this will tie into my next point actually, but you don't want to do that because you'll cause tendonitis in your elbows. The tendons in your elbows cannot take that kind of pressure, especially if you're doing pull-ups. Last week I did a 250 a day, well, I wrapped up a 250 a day for 14 days pull-up challenge. Went great, but if I had been doing pull-ups where I would go down like this every time, that damaged my tendons a lot. And so before I underwent chemotherapy and surgeries last year, I was starting to experience tendonitis, and thankfully the break from the gym healed my tendonitis, of course. But you don't want to do that. You don't want to slam down on your elbows and create all that pressure, and all that damage on your tendons will be very bad, very painful, and you just don't want to do it. So the third thing that I have to tell you guys that you need to follow, you need to do, and you need to practice in your pull-ups, and pretty much in every exercise. And this ties back into #2 if you want to see it that way. You need to slow down your repetitions with pull-ups, because you don't want to, if you keep going really fast, you're going to make the mistake that I was talking about in #2. You're going to be slamming down your elbows. It's a lot harder to control that. And just in general, you'll get more out of the exercise if you're slowing down. It takes just as much effort to slowly bring a weight back down or slowly bring yourself down than it does to pull yourself up or bring that weight up. So just follow that. Don't go super fast. I know you might not be able to do as many pull-ups if you're going slower than you normally would, but it's a lot more important to do good pull-ups than more pull-ups. Quality over quantity. Alright, so the fourth mistake I see people making, and it just pains me dearly because I used to make it for a very short period of time. Very, very short period of time, I promise. Leveraging, okay? Do not sacrifice the quality for the quantity of the pull-up, okay? You know, a lot of people slant, or they just, jump up there, or, move their legs to get up there. Do not do that. Keep a stiff body when you're doing that, as you'll see in the clip that I'm showing you right now. Keep a very stiff body. I'm not moving my legs around. I'm keeping them in one spot, and I'm bringing myself up to the bar. Do not do what I'm about to show you right now that 2 other people have done. Do not do that. Just do a strict form pull-up. Make it very slow, have a lot of control, have a strict form, and you will get the most out of that pull-up. I promise you guys, you will see the most results when you're doing this rather than bad pull-ups, pull-ups that don't follow these rules that I've mentioned today. So consider this a bonus. It's not something that you have to do if you want to do a good pull-up and put quality over quantity. This is just something extra you can add on. Put variations in your pull-ups. As I have done before, I like to go from side to side of the bar. I think it's kind of fun, looks cool, so that's the bonus right there. It looks cool, and you get a little more out of the pull-up, but the important thing is that you're following the 4 tips that I gave you earlier. That is the important thing. You can prioritize that and then do this, the variations if you want to. So that is going to wrap up this video, everybody. I hope you have a great Labor Day, and if it's not Labor Day when you're watching this, just a great day in general. Be sure to follow these 4 tips if you want to do your pull-ups right and get the most out of them. For more tips and advice, watch the rest of my videos. To interact with me, follow my Instagram and Twitter, linked in the description below. Check out the other links. We got merch, we got whatever else is down there. I always update my links. We got my Spotify playlist for workouts. Go check that out maybe if you're interested in what songs I listen to. I hope you guys have a great day once again. I will see you guys next time. See you later.